We are starting today talking about the drug problem here in South Carolina and what officials are doing to fight it. Now, more than 1,700 South Carolinians died from a drug overdose back in 2020.
Now, to combat these deaths, DHEC is offering overdose safety kits in health departments across the state. News 19's Becky Buds has the details.
William McCauley struggled with addiction for 25 years.
And at the end, my last year using, I overdosed about 14 times.
He says if it weren't for the opioid antidote Narcan, he wouldn't be alive today.
Everybody in my family has Narcan in their medicine cabinet. We all do.
As South Carolina sees a rise in drug overdoses, DHEC is offering overdose safety kits at health departments across the state.
The goal is to save lives. Plain and simple.
Dr. Brandon Traxler with DHEC explains each kit has 2 doses of Narcan, 5 fentanyl test strips, and guidance for how to identify an opioid overdose.
But with fentanyl, it's micrograms. So it's just a fraction, literally, that can be fatal.
Traxler adds these kits will be crucial to battling the opioid epidemic, especially in rural areas.
Having somebody on site who has this and can administer the nasal spray could truly save a life versus having to wait for a first responder to get there.
On December 1st and 2nd, the Manning Police Department responded to 4 overdoses within hours of each other. Lieutenant Sean Briley supports increasing the accessibility of Narcan.
All of them are somebody's loved one, so the more we can take care of them, the better.
McCauley now helps those in recovery at the Courage Center in Lexington. He wants people struggling with addiction to know help is available.
Recovery is awesome. And anybody and everybody can recover. We all have the capacity.
In Columbia, Becky Buds, News 19 WLTX.
Well, according to Dr. Traxler, they are giving out 2 kits per person, and they're only doing this while supplies last. So if you are interested in getting one, check out the information at our story at WLTX.com. And just taking a closer look now tonight at the numbers and where we stand, DHEC says the total number of overdose deaths back in 2020, which is the most recent data they have, well, back in 2020, 1,735 South Carolinians died in our state of overdosing, compared to just 1,100 in 2019. Now, in the Midlands, the counties with the most drug overdoses were Lexington with 112 fatal overdoses and Richland with 99. Kershaw and Sumter each saw 30 overdose deaths. Now, DHEC says overall the percentage of deaths went up by 53.3%. The most significant increase noted by DHEC in the Midlands was in Kershaw County. They had a 172% increase in the number of fatal overdoses.